Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 40, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your home screen, swipe down again, and this will reveal all the toggles that you have access to. Now one of those toggles will be screen recorder, so typically it would be on the first page, but the phone automatically added some kind of toggle, so it moved to the last page. But anyway, from here, just gonna swipe till we see our screen recorder toggle. We have some camera access, so that's not it. And it looks like it's not added by default. So we're gonna simply press right over here on this pencil. Let's swipe down. And as you can see right below here, we have toggles that are turned off. So let's see if we can find our screen. It is added. I just didn't see it. So right over here. Not sure how I missed that, but anyway, so it is added by default. So once you see this toggle, all you need to do is simply press on it. It will give you this pop-up, start recording. While recording, Android system can capture any sensitive information that's visible on your screen. Now that is completely inaccurate, or play on your device. Now I'm not even going to go any further because this is completely bogus. You have apps that have way too much control over your phone. So apps like Netflix will completely block your screen recorder, and there is nothing you can do about it. This app just straight up shows you a middle finger and then just gets a little bit too deep into your system and blocks the screen recorder. Now it cannot turn off the screen recorder, so you will still record stuff, but what you will get is a fully black screen. I don't think it can record or it can block sound, so you will have a sound from an application, but image wise all you will have is just black screen. Anyway, I'm gonna start recording. It gives me a countdown, and now I'm just checking what's recording. So under here we have options for microphone, system sound, mic and system, or mute, so not record anything. We also have this pencil. So with this we can draw on the screen. We have our selfie cam. And we have also a pause option, so you can pause the screen recording, open up some kind of application. So there we go. And as an example, once you open it up, you can then start recording again. I think I just literally closed it. Yep. So that's my bad. Let me quickly go back to it. So I want to check something out. So if I pause it, it's this button to resume. So there's like a circle. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now it's recording. So yeah, basically whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device with limitations, like I mentioned. And once you're done, you can click on this red square to save the recording, which will automatically be placed in your Photos application. So I'm gonna find that right here. And you can see that it's visible right at the top, the two most recent ones. So this is the second one. And I believe it's already playing. Yep. And obviously we also have the first one. I didn't do much for the beginning of the video, so I'm gonna skip through a little bit. There we go. So there we go. That is how you record your screen. Now, like I mentioned, Netflix is one of those applications, but also majority of like the more secure applications like bank apps will also block screen recordings for, I would consider, more obvious reasons. But there are also apps that will just straight up block screen recorder that, in my opinion, should have no business doing so. So yeah, apps like that exist, and there is, as far as I know, no way to go about it, like around it. and for instance capture a video recording or a screenshot, because most of the apps that block screen recorders, they also block screenshots as well. So yeah, at least I don't know any way to bypass this, which it is pretty annoying once you encounter an app like that. But anyway, with this being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.